Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. What did you do over the weekend?
I went to the park with my family. It was nice.
That sounds fun. I stayed home and watched TV.
Relaxing at home is nice too.
Do you have any plans for the evening?
Yes, I'm going to meet some friends for dinner. How about you?
I have to finish some work, so I'll be home. Do you like Italian food?
Yes, I love Italian food. Pizza and pasta are my favorites.
Mine too. What toppings do you like on your pizza?
I like pepperoni and mushrooms. How about you?
I prefer just cheese. Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. It's a great way to relax.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I make a mean lasagna. It's a family recipe.
That sounds delicious. I like baking cookies.
Homemade cookies are the best.
Have you traveled recently?
No, I haven't traveled in a while. How about you?
I went on a road trip last month. It was amazing.
Road trips can be so much fun.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's very friendly.
Dogs make great companions. I have a cat named Whiskers.
Cats are cute and independent.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall. The weather is perfect, not too hot or cold.
Fall is beautiful. I enjoy summer because of the sunshine.
Summer is great for outdoor activities.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. Swimming in the ocean is so refreshing.
I'm not a big fan of sand, but I enjoy the ocean breeze.
It's nice to relax by the shore.
What's your favorite book?
I like mystery novels. They keep me hooked.
Mysteries are exciting. I prefer self-help books.
Self-help books can be very motivating.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few. Live music is always fun.
I've never been to one. Who's your favorite musician?
I really like Ed Sheeran. His songs are so catchy.
Ed Sheeran is talented. I enjoy listening to him too.
His music is great for any mood.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is a lot of fun. I dance at parties.
I'm not a great dancer, but I enjoy watching people dance.
It's all about having fun on the dance floor.
Have you ever tried a new hobby?
Yes, I recently started painting. It's a relaxing activity.
That's interesting. I'd like to try painting someday.
You should. It's a great way to express yourself.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like action movies. The adrenaline rush is exciting.
Action movies are thrilling. I prefer romantic comedies.
Romantic comedies can be very heartwarming.
Have you ever been to a museum?
Yes, I've been to art museums. I love admiring paintings.
Art museums can be very inspiring. I enjoy history museums.
History museums are educational.